Hey, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. It's a 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Blue in color, electric blue. This one's in really good shape. I just took this in on trade. Guy bought a new truck, so there's really not much thing wrong with this one here. It does have a lot of water spots on it because it just rained on me a few minutes ago when I was trying to do this earlier. But the top looks really good. There's no damage on the top. The top edge above the window looks good. Way down through here, this looks good. Now this one we took right off the guy's truck, so the bottom edge is not damaged. We got those protected right away before the edge is getting chewed up. Bottom edge look good, no damage on there at all. Does have the half side sliders in the side. Front has a sliding window in it. Front and top edge look good. A little bit dirty. Bottom edge looks really clean. No damage there. So it does have the slider in it, so you can slide the window open to access the cap from the cab, and then the cab from the cap. This side looks good. The top and the top edge on this side look really good. No damage on this side either. No damage on the bottom edge on this either. There we go. No damage on the bottom edge on this side either. Looks like a small little nick right there, but that's it. Half side sliders on this side. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. The back edge of this looks good. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape, no holes in the screens. Does have the removable slider on this one, so flip down the lever on this side, and this side allows the window to pop in and then remove, so that you can clean the front of this window here and then the back of the truck cab window. Push that in, latch that down, latch that down. Away you go. Screen on this side looks really good. No holes on this either. There's the I should have stayed on the other side. Serial number there. 100R 66FF15, 6.5 foot Ford F-150, 15 to current. Looks like the color code is Z9 blue. So there's that information. Keys are right there. There it is, cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. That's the 15 to 100R Leer fits a 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Blue in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, things like that, bed storage solutions, deck units, ladder racks, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.